morning, friends, and happy Vlogmas Day 11. Today is Saturday, December 11th, and it is the big cookie day. I'm just wrapping up getting Vlogmas Day 10 up. It's a short one, but obviously there was a lot of travel involved and I had a full day of work, so I didn't get that much footage. But just to recap, yesterday we made most of the dough we're going to be using today. So if you haven't seen that video, that's where we make the cookie dough, and today's cutting, baking, and the frosting. So make sure you catch up on Vlogmas. I'll have everything in the link up above. But I'm super excited to not only do cookies today, but also to eat some cookies today, of course. But gotta finish the vlog, get everybody else up and ready, and then the fun will begin. So I hope you guys are ready. And I did manage to get a couple of their gifts done, wrapped, tagged, all of that stuff. So you guys saw wrapping a little bit earlier in Vlogmas. And yesterday I did the tags on their gifts. So brought the gifts I did have for them so they can keep them here. One of which is so heavy and I had to carry it downstairs and I was so nervous about dropping it. But it made it safe and sound, hopefully. And we'll be exchanging gifts after Christmas. I just wanted to get them what I did have and all of that jazz. But I'll also be sure to show you guys some of their decorations around their house because they have a ton of Christmas decorations already put up. They got the tree up, all of that stuff. And it's much more, even more festive than my place. And I thought I had a lot going on. Much more festive here. So I'll give you guys a little bit tour later. And of course, it'll be another big cookie day. So much fun all around. But for now, I gotta edit Vlogmas and get that all situated. And then back to cookie making. sister-in-law Danielle and I did all the cookies this morning. It took about 2 hours to bake all of them, so they're all now on the trays here, ready to be frosted tomorrow. And we just ordered dinner now that it's much later. We've been chillaxing all day. We watched a lot of the Wonder Years, which I've never seen, but she loves. And now that the cookies are all done, cooled, ready to be frosted, after dinner, which we just ordered, we're going to be making the frosting for tomorrow, and a lot more people will be here tomorrow to help us frost, which is really the most time-consuming process, so that's what we're looking forward to. But let me give you an overview of the shapes that we picked out this year. Some we ended up not doing a full dozen of, but we've got some snowmen, some angels, the nice bells, stockings, stars. These little gingerbread men might be my favorite. They're so cute. Trees. These are actually Santa heads. If you can see the shape there. They'll make more sense when they're frosted. Then we have mittens, and then we have some larger sized ones for the bigger platters like these. So we have the snowmen, stars, more gingerbread men, these snowflakes, and then some little candy canes. And there's actually another tray with more stockings and other shapes, repeats of most of these. But a lot of cookies, a lot of time spent. It actually really wiped me out. I was very tired afterwards, especially since I didn't get a ton of good sleep last night. But super excited to eat them and, you know, frost them all tomorrow with everyone. So we ended up playing a bunch of games and thinking making frosting tomorrow makes a ton more sense because we don't want to make all the colors and have nowhere to store it in the fridge. So we're making the frosting tomorrow and frosting all of the cookies tomorrow. But I will say, I've had a couple sample cookies without the frosting, and I love them all. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching us bake these together. It was a lot of fun to bake with my sister-in-law, but let me show you guys. We actually have a very limited color set to work with for frosting. So let me turn you guys around and show you. We don't have too many colors, but we'll make these work. I think the biggest deficit we have is we don't have a normal red, but we do have burgundy. So we'll see how that works, but we do have some nice greens for like the Christmas tree. We've obviously got the brown for gingerbread men, and then like the fun colors, like we can use yellow for the bells and blues for the snowflakes. So we've got a lot of colors, and this is always the coloring that we use is Wilton brand. My mom used to have a ton of colors, but my sister-in-law has this set to work with, so we will figure it out together. So with that, I wish I could send all of you guys cookies so you could taste them, but I hope you guys did enjoy Vlogmas today, and we'll stick around for tomorrow. Obviously a lot of frosting will need to happen because you guys saw we made over 100 cookies. So frosting will be fun with my sister-in-law and my boyfriend, and maybe my niece. She does have to work tomorrow, but it just depends on how the timeline works out. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And again, if you need to catch up on Vlogmas, they'll be up here in the card so you guys can watch all of them. But thank you guys so much for your support and for watching. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another video. Bye, guys.